I've got a package, some avocado seeds, which means that I'm doing an unboxing. G'day avocado enthusiasts, and welcome to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree, the channel here on YouTube where I, Scott, grow avocado trees. My goal here is to grow an avocado tree from seed to the point of bearing fruit whilst documenting the process, and I'll also look into different avocado things, explain what I learn, what I'm doing. And today I'm going to be unboxing something which I'm very excited about, and I think you will as well. So a little while ago I came across an ad for the Avoseedo, and this product is essentially boats for avocados. So instead of setting up an avocado seed using the water and toothpick method, you sit it in a little vessel which kind of just cradles it in the water itself. So my plan is to set up a few of these in the fish tank behind me. So I reached out to Avoseedo and told them what I wanted to do, and they said that sounds great, and they sent me a few things, so I'm going to see exactly what they've sent me today. And I've got a few seeds ready to go, and as I eat a couple more avocados as the week goes on, I'll add them to it. So let's see what we've got here. I've got two cameras, so we'll go to the bird's eye one, and we'll get started. So it took a while for this package to get here because I live in Australia, and there are other events going on at the moment which might slow things down. So we'll, oh, okay, so I can just kind of reach in and grab them now. And the first one, oh, okay, so we've got an Avoseedo there, or an avocado growing tool. Yep, from avoseedo.com. Fantastic. And we've got some instructions. We'll get to that in just a second. We'll see what else we've got. Oh, that's right. I've got a few different colors. So I've got a green one and I've got a blue one. Did I get a clear one as well? I did. And I've got a clear one, a translucent one. Wonderful. We'll set those up in just a moment. But this is also something I'm very excited about. So this is, if we can get it out, the Pet avocado. Check that out. Okay, so we'll be getting that going in the next couple of days, and I'm very excited to decorate and see what that looks like. Okay, so let's have a look at our Avoseedos then. So I'm gonna take out the green one to start with. So nice and easy. Very simple instructions. Get a pit, put it in and watch it grow. On the website it also recommends that you peel them. So I have peeled the couple of seeds that I have ready. So I'm going to open it up. It also says that there's some more detailed instructions on their website. I've already looked at that, so I think we'll be okay. Oh, we've got some more instructions on the back there. That's nice. Oh, I like that. We've got some flags. I'm gonna have to set up a flag of the date that we started these on. Oh, that's fantastic. What a great idea. Okay, so it says cut the avocado seed, avocado in half, take out the pit. I've done that. Wait for the, peel away the thin skin off the avocado pit. I've done that. Now we place the avocado seed with the flat part down into the Avoseedo. So the bottom part, which is the flat part, if your avocado seed is more spherical, it's a little bit harder to tell. It's wherever the kind of nubbin, the little valve down the bottom is, which attaches it to the fruit essentially. So one end won't have it and one end will have a bit of a structure down there. Easier to tell before you've peeled it, but you can still tell that there is a difference after you've peeled it. Pointy end goes up. Okay, then we place it in the Avoseedo. Then step 5 is place the Avoseedo. Then step 6 is into a bowl of water. So that's nice and easy. I'm not going to use a bowl of water. I'm going to use a fish tank because I think that's cute. And if the Avoseedo is not floating evenly, turn the pit a little until it is floating evenly. Okay. Then write the date and or the breed onto the little flag. Now I'm not going to write the breed because avocados aren't true to seed. And I don't remember which ones they came out of, probably a Huss. But I will write the date. Then we wait 1 to 4 months. That sounds like an appropriate time frame actually. So I'm going to set one of these up. So I've already got this one. I better get something to write on because I'm just excited about these little flags. I didn't realize it came with these. That's really cute. I'm going to open up the little flags, and it's come with 3 because of course this structure is reusable, which we love that. So I'm gonna get lots of enjoyment out of these little boats, I think, in my open top fish tank. So I'll just grab one of the flags and today's date. Now this is a bit revealing of how far ahead we get the videos and how it's probably grown by the time you're watching this. Today is the 23rd of October, September, 23rd of September. So we go 23/9, 2020. And oh, look at that, isn't that just perfect? It's got a little, just place it in like that. And look at that, isn't that fantastic? I'm gonna give this a rinse before it goes in the fish tank, but that's gonna, I'm really excited to set that up. I'm just gonna leave that to the side there now. And we'll set these other boats up once we have got some more avocado seeds. But we are gonna get into this pet avocado. Now I just think this is very cute. And I was very excited that they had one of these. I couldn't help myself. So this should come with a few things. Let's open it up and see what's inside though. The box has avocados. I'm not sure if you can see them on the camera there. Avocados on the lid. Isn't that nice? I like it. Now, okay, so let's just take all the... It's very cute, okay. So I'll take all of this out actually. Oh my. Oh yes. Look at that. We've got some stickers. And we'll see why in just a second. So that's everything from it. So I better lay it out so that we can see what we've got here. We've got a few things here for the pet avocado. So we've got a pot. Now this is a water tight pot at the moment, but once it has grown and you want to plant it, you've got a pot here. You just break the bottom and it will go in there, or I can put it in another pot. I generally prefer terracotta, but that's okay. And this is a seed that I'm happy to keep in this kind of pot for about a year. So they're about the same size. Great. Plastic wouldn't usually be my first choice, but if we're going to be putting something which holds water to start with, it's got to hold water. And we've got a little saucer for it to sit in, and this is nice. So this, we've got, because it's a pet, it needs to live somewhere, and it's going to look like it's going to be floating on the water. So we're going to use like a poolside one. I think we go from the underside, don't we? And now I get to decorate my pet. Now, I'm not sure if the idea is the avocado is the pet or this little creature is the pet and it grows an avocado out of it. This is just like an Avoseedo, one of my canoes, but it's a little creature. See, it's got those arms and legs there. So I'm gonna give it a face. Now, what are we gonna give it a face? Oh, we've got some options. Oh, I think it's gonna have to have a moustache. Do we have beards as well? No, we don't have any beards, but we do have moustaches. Got an umbrella as well. That's pretty cool. Let's do monocle and moustache. I think that sounds nice. So I'm gonna take that off. Ooh. Not sure what I'm gonna do with the rest of these stickers now. I have to think of something for those. And I'm gonna place him on there. And oh, isn't that a handsome thing? So that's just gonna float in there, and we'll put an avocado seed in just like that. Oh, it just fits. So we've got a small seed and it's still fitting. There we go. And that's just gonna float there. So I think we're just about ready to get started, but oh, I have this umbrella as well. I better put that in somewhere. Oh no, they haven't. They have, they've got there's an avocado on the umbrella. Oh, I really like that. That's nice. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's an avocado on the umbrella. That couldn't be any more perfect. So I think I just need to pierce a hole in the in the deck to place it in there. So I'm gonna do that. We'll put it along here with the umbrellas on there. I'm just gonna push it through. Nice. And then we'll fill it with water. So I'm going to go and fill it with water, and we'll place him in. And I'll rinse that and we'll put it in the fish tank, and then we'll start waiting. Okay, so I filled it with water now, and we're ready to go to the pool. So I guess we'll just place it in there now. Oh, I like that. That's fantastic. Look at it. Look at that. He's got his umbrella there. He's just by the beach, in the pool, just chilling. That makes me really happy. I like that. I'm gonna readjust the camera and we'll put the avocado in the fish tank. Now the reason why I'm putting it in the fish tank, well, avocados need a few things, or seeds in general need a few things to germinate. They need water or moisture, they need oxygen, and they need heat. So water and toothpick method, it gives us that. Here's a tropical tank, so the water temperature should be a little bit warmer than just room temperature water. So I'm wondering if it's going to speed things up. At some point we'll run an experiment. We're not going to do that right now, but I'm very excited. So we'll put him in. I'll readjust the camera so that we can get a better look. And I'm excited. I'm just look at these. This is fantastic. Okay, so we're ready for the maiden voyage of the Avoseedo with this this avocado. Oh, where's my flag? Mustn't forget my flag. Okay, so we put the flag in there with today's date, and well, hopefully it's not too close to the light. We place it in there now. Make sure that it's standing up nice and tall. Oh, that is perfect. Look at that. Ah, I like that. Look at it. Doesn't that just fill you with joy? Oh, I like that. I can't wait to get the others in there. I might need to take a little bit of water out though, because it's an open top tank. It evaporates really quickly, but don't want it to displace and spill over. But look at that. This is. Oh, that's fantastic. I can't wait to get the others in there. Look at that. That's fantastic. And there we have it. So thank you very much for watching this unboxing video. Thank you, Avoseedo, for sending me such fantastic products. I wasn't expecting to be as excited as I am, but seeing it in the water, little avocado boat, I am just thrilled. So if you would like your own Avoseedos, you may go to avoseedo.com. They haven't sponsored me for this video, but they have sent me some fantastic products, which I am thrilled about. Thank you very much for watching Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so for more avocado content. I'd love to know what you thought about this video in the comments below, and with that like button, you can find me over on Instagram as well at Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. Thank you once again for watching, and I will see you next time.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.